Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use exotic components in Division 2. These rare materials are absolutely vital for agents looking to maximize their power. You'll discover how to acquire them and, more importantly, how to effectively utilize them at the crafting station. Understanding their role is key to building a truly formidable agent. The primary method for acquiring exotic components is by deconstructing any exotic weapon or armor piece you no longer need. Each deconstruction will grant you one component. To efficiently gather more, focus on activities that have a higher chance of dropping exotics, such as targeted loot areas or specific missions. Once you have your components, head to the crafting station. Here, you can reconfigure an existing exotic item to re-roll its stats, costing one exotic component plus other materials. You can also craft brand new exotic items, provided you have the blueprint and one exotic component, along with the necessary standard materials. To truly optimize your build, always reconfigure your exotic items to get the best possible stat rolls. This ensures your gear is performing at its peak. Remember to deconstruct any duplicate or poorly rolled exotics to keep your component supply healthy. Also, be sure to check the description below for links to great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic offers. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.